use our pawsome new flight suits to soar into the action and save the day. No volcano is too big, no pup is too small. Try pressing the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to collect pup treats and avoid things in our way. Pawsome!
Help us collect pup treats to build up.
Pawsome!
Try pressing the spacebar.
Pawsome! Try pressing the right arrow key on your keyboard to go faster. Try pressing the right arrow key on your keyboard to go faster.
Help Robodog fly us over to the island in the air patroller. Move the air patroller up and all right, off to the island.
Woo! Here we go! Nice moves! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Woohoo! Nice moves! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Woohoo! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Awesome! We collected enough treats to give the pups energy. Woo! Here we go! Click on a treat and then click on the pup you want to give it to. 1. 2. Click on the treats. 3. 4. Paw Patrol is on a roll!
The lava has cut off the monkeys from their banana tree. Those poor monkeys sure look hungry. Use the arrow keys to help move me up and down. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Woo! Excuse me. Woo! Nice! Woo! Nice! Woo! Careful! Press the spacebar for an awesome trick. Woo! Nice! Keep collecting bananas! Watch out! Excuse me? Woo! Nice! Woo! Nice! Woo! Nice! Woo! Nice! Woo! Nice! We made it to the volcano and collected enough bananas for the hungry monkeys.
Click on a banana and then click on the monkey you want to feed.
1. 2.
Click on the monkey.
3. 4.
All right! Now we need to stop that volcano. Let's fly into the lava tunnels and collect rocks to plug the hole and stop here. Use the arrow keys to help move rubble up and down. Woohoo! Woo! Here we go! Watch out for things in the way. They'll slow rubble down. Woo! Careful! Woo! Here we go! Excuse us! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Here we go! Watch out! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Careful! Woo! Here we go! Watch out! Woo! Here we go! Woo! Excuse us! What a good pup! Careful! Made it to the center of the volcano and collected enough rocks to plug up the hole. Click on a rock, then click again to help fill up the hole. 1, 2, 3. Click on a rock. 4, 5. Great work! We stopped the volcano from erupting. Nice save! That was perfect!